To install OpenAI in Visual Studio Code is relatively straightforward and simple. Once you've opened up Visual Studio Code, you want to go to this left-hand panel on the side and you want to click on extensions. This will give you a search bar where you can search for extensions. So in that search bar, you want to type codecs. And then you'll see that it starts searching, and right there at the top you can see it says codecs and OpenAI with the install button on the right. Click onto the install button and there you can see that it's currently now installing. And then you also want to check on auto update so that you can automatically get the updates. So I'll just let that install here real quick. Okay, once the codecs has installed, you can see it's fully installed right now. What you have to do is restart your Visual Studio Code, and then you'll see it there on the left hand side. You can see continue Python. These are my installed extensions. You'll see the codecs extension there. You click on it, then you log into your ChatGPT with your web browser, and then you'll be able to use it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.